Hey guys, part 2 of my house. I'm in the basement now. And yeah, let's go continue off. This is where the balcony was. I already recorded that. Here's the kitchen that's going to be placed here. Not fully finished, I told you guys. And then you can see here, now, this is the electrical room. Yeah, it's too scary. And then this is a ripoff of Peppa Pig. Not a fully rip-off, like, yeah, you can't, yeah, there's a room that's gonna be placed in there. And then here's the bathroom, which I'm not gonna touch because the floor is clean. And here's my bedroom. Of course, here's my window that I showed you. A lot of ceilings and stuff and lights are gonna be placed here, like, not all the lights are placed here. And then here's my closet. And oh yeah, I see it. Oh geez, that scared me. The light just turned on automatically. I did not turn it on, like I'm not joking. And here's the fireplace that's gonna be placed here. And that's it for the basement. Part 3 coming soon in like 5 minutes.